It's kind of like cookie dough meets granola meets immortality. Hi, Rachelle here, your herbalist and holistic health practitioner and the host of Plant-Based. Today we are coming to you from Supernatural Cafe in Brooklyn. Gynostemma is an incredible herb. This is just far out in its benefits, and it's been a little bit under the radar because it comes from a place in China that was a bit far away from where traditional Chinese medicine or TCM originated. So it wasn't really wrapped up into that medicinal system and kind of brought to the world in the same way that a lot of other Chinese herbs had been. Gynostemma was discovered when the Chinese government conducted a census and found this pocket of people who were living to be over 100. Turns out they were drinking Gynostemma tea. So Gynostemma is a plant that contains gepennicides, and gepennicides are saponins. Saponins are one of the many compounds in plants that carry the sort of medicine that we're after. The list of benefits associated with Gynostemma is really, really long. So it has been studied for heart health. It has been shown to potentially lower blood pressure. It has a couple of extremely powerful antioxidant actions. Gynostemma activates AMPK, which is an enzyme that stimulates mitochondrial health and cellular cleanup. So that is like deep foundational well-being. Gynostemma increases the endogenous production of superoxide dismutase. What that means is Gynostemma increases our body's own production of a super potent antioxidant called superoxide dismutase. And you know now, because you've been watching these, antioxidant means anti-aging. The gepennicides in Gynostemma are biologically very, very similar to what's in ginseng, and we know ginseng is a fantastic adaptogen, and that means Gynostemma acts like a fantastic adaptogen as well. So it can help with energy. If you're low, it can help pick it up. If you're too high, it can help calm it down. It's great if you are physically active. It's great if you're mentally active. A lot of times plants that are magical and wonderful and full of all this medicine don't taste very good, but Gynostemma actually tastes great. It is sweet. It's naturally sweet. And we're gonna put it into Adaptogenic Anytime Bars, which means you can use these as a snack, you can use them for breakfast, you can have them any time of day, and they'll be a great way for you to get some of this amazing herb any time of day.
1.5 cups nuts or seeds of choice. I used 1/2 cup each of chopped pistachios, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. 1/2 cup dried fruit of choice. I used mulberries. 1/2 cup of flaked coconut. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons Gynostemma powder. In a large mixing bowl, stir together the nuts and seeds, flaked coconut, dried fruit, chia seeds, salt, and cinnamon, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1/2 cup tahini or creamy nut butter of choice, 1/4 cup maple syrup. Stir together the nut butter, maple syrup, and coconut oil in a heat-safe bowl or a small pot. Warm it up so it's hot and pourable. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Pour the nut butter, maple syrup mixture over the dry ingredients and stir until everything is well coated. Then Pour the entire mixture into a prepared pan and use a flat surface to press into a firm, even layer. Cover and place in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before cutting into bars. The longer this sets, the less crumbly it'll be. Store bars sealed in the refrigerator for 2 weeks or in the freezer for longer.
So we did it. We have Gynostemma in our Adaptogenic Anytime Bars. So delicious for breakfast or snacks or dessert. Pre-workout, post-workout, before bed, first thing in the morning. Delicious. Cheers. For more episodes of Plant-Based, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.